You fine?
Nice.
Hey guys, here we are in Chari's Gardens. My Kenyan sister Rachel made me a surprise this morning. She came to my hotel and asked me to come to this place with her. It's a very beautiful place. So this is very beautiful, sis. I have gone off. Wow. Wow. This is very good. It's beautiful.
I'm go feel take care of salt.
Oh, look at where we'll be sitting.
Absolutely
So
amazing. So Shira's garden
Yeah.
and the nature this morning, the breeze, super fresh air.
Yeah.
And the sun.
Yeah.
It's not a burning.
Yeah.
It is just shining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not the type of Dubai sun.
No, it's not the heat in Dubai, so we are happy to be away from Dubai for the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.